Dr. Oz, Ultimate Swimsuit Slimdown. It's time for bathing suit season, again. But this time, you'll be ready. With Dr. Oz's Ultimate Swimsuit Slimdown, you'll look and feel like $1,000,000 in any bathing suit, regardless of problem areas. Dr. Oz shared a swimsuit slimdown drink and salad recipe, plus a cellulite lotion called Aminophylline Cream. On today's show, Dr. Oz had brave women come to the show wearing nothing but their bathing suits. From size 6 to 26, the women came prepared. Could you have done something like this? These women came to the show to face their worst fears ever swimsuit season. Dr. Oz asked the entire audience who struggled with this request, and almost every woman raised their hand. Kimberly, one audience member, said she was nervous and scared. But kudos for still doing it. Kimberly told Dr. Oz that she has 4 kids and was done having babies, so she was ready to slim it down and get it ready for the beach. Another audience member tried to own the way she looked, but she felt self-conscious about her appearance. She told Dr. Oz she came in her bathing suit to try to feel more confident about herself. Another audience member, 51 years old, put on some weight and wanted to get rid of her belly. She wanted to rock a bikini body again. When Dr. Oz asked the audience what they were trying to achieve, some women responded that they just wanted to look good in their swimsuits, but most audience members agreed that they just wanted more confidence. Dr. Oz says you can either terrorize yourself or you can crank up your confidence with smart and simple things to do to get fit. He urges you to change how you feel, too. It's all about the confidence, he told the audience. Dr. Oz, Secret Swimsuit Slimdown Drink Recipe. One audience member said she was looking to improve her appearance and feel better about herself. She also wanted to boost her energy to get motivated to work out. Dr. Oz says you can do this by sipping smart. Combine 1 cup of grapefruit juice, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Drink this combination before every meal. Apple cider vinegar helps you burn and break down fat. This drink combination also burns away your fat, literally. Drink it 3 times per day before meals. Dr. Oz, Swimsuit Slimdown Salad Recipe. Mercedes, an audience member, told Dr. Oz that the hardest part about coming to the show in a swimsuit was that it was nerve-wracking. She preferred to cover herself up but decided this was something she should do. I guarantee she was not alone. Dr. Oz says to try his slimdown salad to get to your bikini body. Mix 1 bunch of dandelion greens, washed, dried, and torn into bite-sized pieces, 1 cup of watermelon, cubed, and parsley. The dandelion greens contain proteins to satiate you. The watermelon has amino acid to help break down fat and sugar and to promote lean muscle. Eat this salad in the middle of the day. For the salad dressing, combine 2 teaspoons of olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice and salt and pepper, to taste. Dr. Oz, Aminophylline Cream for Cellulite. Emily, an audience member, said that on a scale of 1 to 10, she's a 5. She battled cellulite in her midsection and thighs, which she tried to cover up with long shorts. Dr. Oz says most women have cellulite regardless of size. To help shrivel down the fat cells to reduce the dimpling appearance, Dr. Oz suggested Aminophylline Cream. Use this cream 2 times per day for a temporary fix. Dr. Oz, Swimsuit Sculpt. Let's face it, if you want to get that tight bikini body, you're going to have to get off the couch sometime. Dr. Oz used the front row to show you his swimsuit sculpting workout. This workout should be the first thing you do after waking up. After going to the bathroom, of course. Grab a beach towel. Get down into plank position, if too difficult, go onto your knees. Hold position for 30 seconds, work your way up to 1 minute. Dr. Oz suggested ramping up your self-confidence instead of ramping up your self-loathing. Instead of trying to look like a supermodel, practice these daily techniques to be the best person you can be. Besides, supermodels are airbrushed anyway. They have just as much cellulite as we do.